Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a yearly prediction for 2022. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies and the messages we have for three main areas in your life. The first bucket will be your career and business. The second one is your health, and the third one would be your personal life, family life, or your love life. So let's quickly begin and see how is this new year going to be for all of you. So the first card that I see for you is the High Priestess, the Ten of Swords, and the Chariot card. Now the High Priestess means the Keeper of the Secrets. That's a major arcana card for your career and business. Now this means that there could be something that you may be hiding, or there could be something that's hidden in your career or business that you are not currently aware of. The second bucket being your health, you have Ten of Swords. It means that you will feel backstabbed, and that will impact your health. So you need to take care of your health this year. The third card for you is your family life, your love life, or personal life. That's the Chariot card there, which is Cancer's energy. This means that you want to take things forward. So in your love life, maybe you want to take this towards marriage commitment. In your family life also, you want things to change, and want to make sure that you move forward from where you are right now. Now let's take clarifying cards for all three of them. So for High Priestess, we have the Chariot card and we have the Strength card. Now with Chariot card, again, that's Cancer's energy. So whatever is the secret, you want to march forward and you want to know what that secret is. Once you will get to know what that secret is, it will take a lot of strength and courage with that Strength card to tackle that information. Now let's take clarifying cards here for Ten of Swords. So the first card is Three of Wands and the Knight of Wands. Now with Three of Wands, it means you'll be stuck. So maybe there could be a health related issue for which you will be stuck for some time, but eventually you'll move out to the Knight of Wands energy, which is again not very mature energy. So you need to ideally take care of your health throughout this year. Now let's say clarifying cards for the Chariot energy. So the first card here is Six of Wands and the Page of Swords. With Six of Wands, you want victory in this situation, and with Page of Swords, that again is immature energy, but you want to have some discussion. You want to make sure that you have a very honest face-to-face conversation about something related to either your family life or your personal life. Now let's go ahead and see what is the message we have for you from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is prosperity lies ahead. That's a very positive sign for you for 2022. It means that in future you will have prosperity. Now we'll also quickly see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you out in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Morganite. The crystal message being, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe that the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in this moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. See, all that is in everything. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. Now with this, let's very quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have for you for the entire 22 month wise. So for the month of Jan, you have the Sun card, which is a very positive sign. That's a very nice way to start 2022. For Feb, you have Four of Wands. For some of you, it means marriage commitment. For March, you have Ace of Pentacles. It means you want to start small, but you are looking towards stability. For April, you have Five of Wands, which means fighting competition about something. In May, that's Eight of Pentacles, which means you will put in hard work to achieve something. For July, you have Three of Cups, which means there will be some kind of interference from a third person. In the month of July, you have the Ten of Cups, which means a family life situation where everything is in order. For August, you have Six of Pentacles, which means the sharing card. So either in your personal life or in your professional life, you will be sharing something. In September, you have Eight of Swords, which means confusion because you're not able to see things and think clearly. In the month of October, you have Justice. For some of you, if you're involved in a legal case, you will get victory in the situation. But for others, if you have received some kind of injustice, that's the time when you will get justice. Now, in the month of November, it's Two of Cups. That's an emotional connection with the other person. And you end the year with Three of Pentacles, which is again third party energy, some interference from somebody outside you and your person. Now, that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content of these videos, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.